Hey everyone, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you know when I have new content. I cannot believe this day is here. You guys, we're packing for Disney World and a Disney cruise. I've got a little bit of a head start, but admittedly, I think I'm out of practice because this has been the hardest trip to shop and pack for that I've had in years. So let's just kind of go through and talk about everything I'm going to bring and how I'm going to organize it. And I'll probably do a follow-up video after my trip, kind of reviewing what you need to take on the Wish. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm taking two big suitcases because I'm going to be bringing all my camera equipment, toiletries, just a lot of stuff, and I want to have plenty of room for merchandise. So this is a little bit smaller. It's still a checked bag. This is my Vesica rolling suitcase that I love. And in this packing cube, I don't want to spoil any of my outfits, but I have all of my dinner outfits for on board the Wish here. Inside this purse, I always pack a purse to take to dinner. I put my jewelry case, my purse and jewelry case, you guys know. Then I have my hot tools, my hair crimper, and my curling iron with just a pair of nude heels from Pink Lily Boutique. And then over here, I've got hair from Insert Name here in each one of these divided pockets, different ponytails that I can use to cut down on styling time and heat stress on my hair. And then here I have my workout clothes cube, a couple of my dream pairs, and then you guys know my toiletry towers well by now, but let's just go through and I'll show you guys. This is one. I can link you guys to a really similar one on Amazon or Pink Lily, but I have all of my toiletries that I'm going to need. I'm taking my Kevin Murphy Blonde Angel shampoo and conditioner just because my hair gets brassy. I'm taking my Zenagen brush, my cocoa butter. I've got deodorant. I love this travel case because I always take Irish Spring soap everywhere I go. Extra eyelashes. I've got a little hairspray, leave-in conditioner, Zenagen conditioner, Zenagen hair, sunscreen. I've got bobby pins, and then I've got all my oral care there. I've got my mouthwash, tongue rake, floss, toothpaste, and a toothbrush holder that actually came with this, so I'll link you guys to that. Then I have a separate tower for all of my skincare. So I've got my facial wash, my micellar water, a moisturizer, my Good Molecules body correcting cream because I'm currently working on some color correction on my chest and arms. I've got toenail clippers, Q-tips, cotton balls, and then I've got, chapstick, eye cream, my acne medicine, and then my new lash and brow serum that I'm going to start using from Zenagen that I'm so excited about. So that's what I have in the way of toiletries, and that's actually all ready to go. So that's suitcase number one. Suitcase number two, we're still working on. So before I shot the video, I went ahead and packed my makeup into this Pink Lily makeup case that you all know by now. Got a really nice protective liner so I can wipe it down after every trip to keep it looking new, but it's got great places for all my brushes, a zipper pocket on the side that goes into this compartment so you can put your large palettes there. And then all of these little things they have more of these dividers. I've just taken them out and made this work for me. So I've got my makeup packed and it's going to go in the other side of my big suitcase along with my pencil case of sunscreen and aloe that I need to take. So I'm trying just to pack plenty of sunscreen for, the Disney cruise because the sun is so intense on the itinerary we're going on. So I want to make sure I'm covered. So I brought a backup as well just to have plenty. I've got more in there. And then this, I have showed you guys on my TikTok. This is called Bag Smart, and I got it off of Amazon, so I still have to be prepared in case a work emergency comes up. So I always travel with plenty of chargers, cords, memory cards, and my external hard drive, and this just helps keep everything organized and neat rather than how I used to have it. So I'm going to put all that in this side here. Okay, this filled up really quickly. So I also have the GoPro pencil case, my swimsuit packing cube with my pool shoes, my cover-ups, but yeah, ears, and then this dress is like a backup dinner dress, and I'm just gonna use it to like kind of cushion this area. Send help. I'm packing way too much. Okay, so on this side, I've got my Hokas for going to the gym, dream pairs, special shoes. I can't wait to share with you guys on board. And then these are just travel outfits. So traveling to the airport, and then a sweatshirt. This is my little specialty packing cube. This is my Disney Day packing cube. So I've got blister band-aids, things that I'm gonna just immediately throw into my backpack. Ears, blister band-aids, snacks, liquid IV, Gatorade, a little like change of clothes, extra socks, and things of that nature. So that's the side. I have my Unmentionables little packing cube too. So I have some room left. I mean, some. But for me, that's pretty good. So yeah, 2 suitcases later, I'm ready for a 5-day trip. While we're here, let's do a rundown of everything I do keep in my Disney Parks backpack. Carmex. I always get dehydrated no matter how much I drink, and I can't stand for my lips to be chapped, so I always have Carmex with me. I always have a big bottle of Advil liquid gels. No matter what, I'm going to keep those with me. I will have all of my camera equipment in here. So I'll have my Sony that I'm filming on, a GoPro, and then I recently got this. This is the DJI OM stabilizer, because I had a lot of people leave mean comments about my footage. So I spent the money to try and make it nice and smooth for you guys. So I'll bring that stabilizer in. And then I always like to have plenty of sunglasses. I get really light sensitive, which can contribute to me getting a migraine or even just a regular headache. So I pack plenty of sunglasses with varying degrees of coverage, you know, just depending on what the weather is going to be that day. Another thing that I always have that you guys, it has literally saved my life, is having that spare pair of socks. If you go on a water ride, if it rains and your socks get wet, you're not gonna feel good. So I always carry a spare pair of socks. And then I never go in, this is just Kroger brand, Smart Heel blister bandages. Now I'm going to wear those comfy Walmart shoes that I told you guys that I got, the white sneakers that are like a knockoff of Air Force Ones, because I have never gotten a blister wearing those yet, but I'm prepared if I get one. I never go in the park without multiple packets of liquid IV. Number one, to stay hydrated. That's the first thing I do during the day, is take a liquid IV on a Disney day, just to try and, you know, get ahead of feeling dehydrated and potentially sick. And then I always go in with a Gatorade Zero drink mix as well, because the water in Disney tastes terrible. Terrible. The water fountain, and it's just not realistic to buy $8 bottles of water all day. I always have like a change of clothes with me. I have 2 outfits for our Disney day, because I think we're gonna be like really moving and cruising. The other thing I'll take with me just to feel good is a little hairbrush that will fit in my backpack with hair ties in case I decide that I want to put my hair up. So this will go in my little Disney backpack, as well as my toothbrush and toothpaste, because I can't go all day without brushing my teeth. I always keep a stick of deodorant in my backpack, my Disney Parks backpack. And whenever we get there, I will move a bottle of perfume. I will take my Alien with me. I don't like to, I mean, it's kind of inevitable at Disney that you're gonna smell yourself, but I don't like to. The other thing is I like to have a little small makeup touch-up kit. I'm somebody that wears makeup in the parks. You don't have to, but I just take a little pouch of like makeup essentials, a lipstick, a little foundation, in case I feel like I want to freshen up and look my best during the day. I do take a charging brick, because your battery will die really, really quickly in Magic Kingdom. And I think that's it. You guys, I almost forgot the most important thing, my magic band. Let's go get that. But those are my Disney, I'll take a snack, sorry, I forget. I always have like a little low blood sugar snack. Sorry, I'm all over the place. And then I thought this was such a good idea. I got these little instant coffee packs that I actually really like the taste of. And I'm gonna take some of those in, because the line for Joffrey's gets really long. So that's my Disney Parks backpack. Okay, let's go get my magic band before I forget. Who do I think I am? Forgetting my magic band. Rookie. I am making rookie mistakes. Da, 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 da. Okay, you guys, that we're packed. Sorry that this video was a little bit hectic. I have to be honest, this trip came up on me really last minute and I just haven't been in so long that I feel very out of practice, but I hope that it was still helpful for some of you all. If you have questions, let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to share these vlogs with you guys. I love you so much and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.